Hello, I'm Sienna Evans. In today's world, we are constantly told to be the best, to outperform others, to achieve, and to excel in every area of life. We live in a culture that celebrates competition and individual success, often measuring worth by achievements. But the truth many men learn too late is that success and happiness are not determined by how much you do compared to others, but by how well you live aligned with your true purpose. Chasing someone else's version of success will always leave you feeling unfulfilled. The lesson that often comes too late is that living authentically is more important than constantly trying to prove yourself. Success is not about being better than someone else, it's about being the best version of yourself. When you focus on your own growth and define success based on your own values, you create a deeper sense of fulfillment. The man who stays true to himself, regardless of external pressure, is the one who finds inner peace. He understands that the pursuit of greatness is personal. It's about achieving what feels right for you, not what society deems as success. Comparing yourself to others only leads to dissatisfaction. It's easy to get caught up in what others have accomplished, but the truth is that everyone's journey is different. Success doesn't come from doing everything right. It comes from doing what is true to your purpose and aligning your actions with your core values. When you focus on your own path and take pride in your progress, you'll feel fulfilled in ways that chasing someone else's definition of success never will. Stop comparing. Start focusing on what matters to you and let your own journey define your success.